Know that it is now possible to record audio, video, and screencasts directly in Google Classroom. This is available if you have the Education Plus or the Teaching and Learning upgrade. So let's take a look at how this works. In Google Classroom, you can do this on a number of different tabs. So we're here on the stream, and if I go to post a new announcement, you'll see that I have this new option to record. If I select that, I have the option to record audio, to record video, or to record the screen. So think about being able to record a message to your students. Sometimes when you type something, it may not come across as you intended it. If you record audio, or better yet, if you record a video that allows your students to see and hear what you want them to, that may alleviate some in, in discrepancies that you might have in your written instructions. So if I choose record video, you're going to see an option down here that shows my video screen, and I'll be able to start recording. So let's go ahead and start record and see what happens after we get done. Good morning, students. I'm really excited for this week. We have a lot of fun activities planned as well as a lot of learning. So get ready to have a great week. So you'll be able to play the recorded video to make sure it sounds and looks the way you want it to, and then you can post it. Now, the one thing that I have found at this point, and remember, this is a new release. As of January 29th, this started rolling out. It's February 3rd, 2026 today. So this is a new release. Things might change, but as of right now, you'll notice that anytime you record a video, an audio, or a screencast, it's going to be untitled. And so I think that this is, you can remove the attachment here, but I think that this is an extra step that you shouldn't have to take. So if I want to actually name this so that I keep track of what I'm sending, information I'm sending my students, and also to keep for the students to make it easier for them to understand what's happening too. I actually have to open up this video within Drive and then come here to change the name of the video. So I could say, welcome February 2nd, and then say okay. And then after you do that, when you post this announcement, that video should be uh, renamed. So we'll go ahead and just take a look and we'll say post, and we'll take a look. And there you can see the video has been renamed. Now you can also leave a video, audio, or screencast attachment on the classwork tab. So if we go to classwork and we click create an assignment, you will see that you have the same record option here. And again, you can record audio, record video, or you can even record your screen. So think about how you can use the record option to make things simpler and more easy for your students to understand with audio or video instructions.